If you love art supplies that instantly spark creativity, the Artistro 60 color dual tip marker set is one that really stands out. The brand sent this to me, and right from unboxing, you see the value not just in the huge color assortment, but also in the storage bag that doubles as a stand. So your markers are always easy to reach while you work. The colors are impressive, rich, vibrant, and fade resistant. On paper, they lay down smoothly and evenly with no patchiness. Each shade looks bold and true to what you see on the cap, which makes blending and layering so much easier. Each marker has two tips, a chisel tip for shading larger areas and a fine tip for clean outlines and details. The alcohol based ink blends beautifully and doesn't bleed through most paper, so your pages stay neat. I love how versatile this set is. Whether you're sketching, working on manga, adult coloring books, card making, or just experimenting, the colors really bring your ideas to life. My kids even had fun using them to color their doll pictures, and the results looked bright and polished. And when you're done, everything packs neatly back into the portable case. If you want a marker kit that delivers variety, smooth blending, and colors that pop on the page, this one is a great choice to take your art to the next level.